Once again, this is Gustav Zaitchik coming direct from my assisted living quarters in Brighton Beach, Brooklyn. Welcome to the Loyman Report. Grandfather's walking with his young grandson. They come across two dogs making love. The kid says, "Grandpa, what's that?" The grandfather says, "The dog in front is sick, and the dog behind is pushing it to the veterinarian. I thought you could give a dog a Heimlich maneuver, but if you do, make sure your window shades are completely rolled down." Kid sees his mother come out of the shower, pointing to a private part. He says, "Mommy, what's that?" She says, "That's my sponge." The next day she's doing the dishes. She's looking around. She says, "Here's my sponge." The kid says, "Next door neighbor's washing daddy's face with it." Two prospectors are in a desert. One goes to take a leak. Rattlesnake bits him on the tip of his penis. He yells, "Run for help! Run for help!" His friend runs in town. He said, "My friend was bitten by a snake. What'll I do to save his life?" The doctor says, "Wherever he was bitten, you must put your mouth on it and suck out the poison. That's the only thing that'll save him." He runs back into the desert. His friend says, "What'd they say? What'd they say?" They said, "You're going to die." A guy's boat crashes on a deserted island. He's walking around the island. He finds someone else on the island. He says, "What'd you do for kicks here?" The guy says, "Listen, there's a barrel at the end of the island with a hole in it. Every Saturday night you stick your thing in the hole. You have a great time." He goes there Saturday night. He sticks his thing in the hole. He has a fantastic time. A week goes by. He's about to stick his thing in the hole. The other guy says, "Hold it. This week your turn in the barrel." Once again, this is Gustav Zaitchik. I will be around. I will report on the curry contest, the Go-Go Curry contest. I will be there in person at the finals. All right. Thank you for listening. Goodbye and good luck.